All right, guys, breaking news. So Pulte just broke ground on this brand new development located out here in the southwest of the Las Vegas Valley. So just kind of give you a general idea about this neighborhood. Okay, I believe there's going to be like 30 something homes within this street here. They will not be open until like sometime in September. I think they were supposed to actually have a sales office, but I don't know if they're going to have a sales office or not. But they do have some properties coming up on the market. What I like about this neighborhood is the location, because the 215, okay, where it kind of curves right into heading towards Summerlin area, it's literally wedged in between the southwest, where you can have Blue Diamond, Durango Casino, and just a little bit past Flamingo, you're going to have Summerlin. Now, the good news about this is Summerlin South, it's less than like 5 minutes. But then on Fort Apache, you literally have like all your shopping. You've got the Walmart, right? You've got the Sam's Club. You got every food ethnic group you could think about. Same thing right off of Flamingo too as well. I mean, there's like literally shopping galore. Now from here to Harry Reid International, less than 20 minutes. So location, location, location. Now this neighborhood is really wedged in between the cutoff of Tropicana, or you can get off of Flamingo, okay? Now, as you can see, they're building these homes here. Now, they do have some that are coming up for September. And the name of this neighborhood is called Tenaya Springs at Lone Mesa. Now, they do have some quick move-ins. So we have one right now for lot number 20, and it is 1,710 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 with a 2-car garage. And check this out. This one will be ready in September, and the price on here, $470,000. Do you know what the median price point for a home right now for a resale home? Believe it or not, $498,000. On top of that, because we have a relationship with this builder, you're going to get a pretty good discount with me. I think you're going to be pretty pleased, okay? So stay tuned till the end. I'm going to tell you exactly what those type of discounts you can get if you work with me exclusively. So the next one, they have lot 5 that will be completed in September. This one is 1,843 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage. Check this out. The price on this one, the price, $480,000. Man, I need to clean my glasses. So we got another one right here, lot number 17, which is 2,118 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage, $495,000. Then they have another one, another floor plan, lot number 16, 2,317 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage. You're all in at $505,000, which is, I think it's a pretty good deal, don't you think? Now, as you can see here, they started trenching on this side. I'm going to flip this thing around, show you guys what's going on, show you how all this works. So the first thing they do when they come here, right, they're going to grade everything. They're going to impact the dirt. They're going to spray water on it, let it soak. Then at that point, they're going to come back out. They're going to take a look at the plot map. When they look at the plot map, they mark where the foundation is going to be. Then the next step is to actually put these boards here, the 2x12s. This shows you the outline of the foundation. Then we also have the plumbers come in and run the plumbing, run the electrical line. Your electrical line's here. The city will tap in right after. So as you can see, they've already ran that. Now on this one, there's no plumbing. They just started trenching, but they're going to have to run the plumbing. After that, they're going to go ahead and pour the concrete with the post-tension slab. Once the slab has been cured, as you can see, the frame goes up. So this kind of just gives you a general idea. Now on this one, as you can see, They didn't shear the whole house here. They only sheared the front and also the side, and the front that is just required by code. Now, coming on this side, this one, you can see they did the rough-in. Now, with the rough-in, which means they ran the electrical, they ran the plumbing, they've added the windows, the AC units. Now, the next step here is they're gonna weather strip the exterior here, and then they're gonna go ahead, after they run the weather material stripping, right? Next, this is what they're gonna do. They're gonna styrofoam the whole house. Now, after they styrofoam the whole house, way over there, you're gonna see they're gonna run chicken wire. After they run the chicken wire, then they're gonna spray the stucco, and that's what the stucco actually looks like. All right, let's go in here. Let's see what this actually looks like. Not too sure what model this is. Let's take a look at the quality build. So what we see right here is the line for the sprinkler system. And as you can see, this line is separated from the main house. So here is the main water line here, feeding into the house. You have your shutoff valve. From here, this goes to your irrigation system. Here goes to your fire sprinkler system inside your house. All that green stuff that you see here, all this has been sprayed and pressure treated. You're probably wondering, why is there water in here? So they'll fill this thing up with water. They want to make sure there's no leaks. So it looks like they're using Alpine windows, which is kind of stock and standard in the spec building industry. These are all your truss. Now, these are all engineered by a third-party company, but you see those tickets hanging down there? So when the framers come in, how do they know which truss to add? So each one, you got F1, 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 but then you have numbers 1 of 10, 7 of 10. So everything is all counted, so that way they can put this thing properly, because there's certain subfloors that you have to add in. Same thing with the A-frames. But I don't feel like going downstairs. I don't feel like going upstairs. But let me just kind of see what this looks like. So it looks like we have our island right here. Your refrigerator. Oh, actually, I'm sorry. Your stove is going to go right here. It's going to be gas. Here is your exhaust hood. Looks like our sink is going to go here. Then our refrigerator will go here. Here's probably going to be your little pantry. All right, time to get out of here. It's getting a little bit hot. Nice neighborhood, though. Let me open this thing up real quick. There's a little bit more information I do want to give you. Let me just take off my hard hat for a second. Okay, real quick. Let me just set that there. Don't move, okay? Because I actually had Dwayne send me the information. Now, Dwayne is actually the sales agent for this neighborhood. Like I said, I don't think they're going to have models that you can display where you could just walk into. However, there may be, well, I said that wrong. Let me start this over. So regarding the models, I'm not too sure if they're going to have the models here, but I was told that they were supposed to come out here, but nothing's built yet, obviously, and they're just doing a bunch of these spec homes. However, typically with Pulte, they pretty much have like models, like these type of models across the valley, so you may be able to go take a look at those models. But I'm going to find out here in the next couple days from Dwayne if they will actually have a sales office where you can actually tour the model. If not, just give me a call. I'll take you to the right model so that way you can see exactly what you're looking at. Okay. Also, if you guys end up coming on out here and there is a sales office, make sure to let Dwayne know you've seen this video. So let's see what Dwayne says here. Oh, talking about the incentives. Okay. Check this out. First and foremost, HOAs, guess how much? $65. Not bad whatsoever, right? The incentives, possibly we can get up to 6% towards closing costs. Now, 6% towards closing costs, it really depending on the type of financing that you do. VA, right, you can really only get up to 4%, but depending on how you use that verbiage, I could utilize the additional 2%, which is kind of stupid. You're a veteran taking advantage of VA financing, but the most that you can ask for contributions from the seller is only 4%. That's like the dumbest thing. However, don't worry about that. It's all about understanding the guidelines and how to put the deal together. So I can help you on that. FHA, 6%, not a problem. Conventional, okay? Conventional, we could definitely take it all the way up to 9%. But what are we going to do with the 3%? Or actually 6%? We're going to take 3%, right? And figure out how much is it for your total closing costs. Whatever the remaining balance, the additional 3% and the remaining balance, we're going to use that money towards your buy down. Okay? Now, let's just say after your total expenses and your buy down, we're left with $2,000. The way to really do this, because a lot of the contracts states that whatever's left over, the builder takes. No, but what we're going to do is create the additional terms. It's to be utilized towards the price reduction. Now, this builder has been very good to me as far as getting the best deals for my clients. Like, there was another property that I really wanted to show you guys, but it moved so freaking quick. The discount on this home was $150,000. I couldn't believe it. So as soon as I got the email, I was like, yo, this is a great deal. But reached out to my guy and said, they sold it. That being said, if you guys want the list of standing inventory properties, and I'm talking about from the builders, only the builders, we have a list of 560 something right now, okay? All you got to do is go to the description of this video, click that link, fill out the form, let us know exactly what you're looking for, and then we'll go ahead and email it to you. But this is only exclusive for our community members. What makes you a community member? Number one, you can't be a real estate agent. You can't be a lender, okay? And if you have a real estate agent, you got to go work with that real estate agent. We're not going to give you our resources to help your real estate agent to go sell you a property that it took us time and effort to build a relationship with these builders. All right, guys, that is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you're planning on coming out here to purchase a home, we definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business. Peace. If you are considering moving to Las Vegas, we have a lot of free products. We have the relocation guide. Now, the relocation guide talks about neighborhoods, surrounding areas, and school zones, hospitals. Now, once you subscribe to this, what's included is the Power Pack. What is the Power Pack? The Power Pack also includes the current housing market for the month. This talks about single-family residents, condos, and townhomes. And also we have the economic study of what's going on within Las Vegas, Henderson, and North Las Vegas. Now, if you're just a first-time home buyer, just don't really understand the process, we have the free buyer's guide. This will literally walk you and prepare you for your first purchase. Now, if you are planning on financing, You got to get the mortgage hacks. The mortgage hacks is inside secrets on how to save thousands of dollars of the life of your loan. This also talks about all the type of loan programs, state programs that are available to you as a buyer. Now, if you're also planning on buying a brand new home, but you're not too sure which builder is a better builder, it really comes down to materials and supplies. So this is a comprehensive book that explains everything. 32 questions that you need to ask the builder before you actually buy a home. In addition to that, we also have an educational video that we explain how to actually buy a home. It's actually called the Masterclass Vote, and it's free. It's only about 30 to 40 minutes long, but it's something that is worth looking into. We also have the mortgage calculator. So if you are getting a loan and you want to know what your payments are, mortgage calculator, it breaks it all down. It tells you exactly what your payment's going to be. So again, that is free. In addition to that, if you are considering buying or even selling a home, we are offering you a consultation. So it doesn't matter if you're out of state, because we can do a video chat live. We get to know each other. We explain everything, how it all works to prepare you to buy a home out here in Las Vegas. So just make sure to visit simplyvegashomes.com, or if you want to set up an appointment, give us a call today. Now, if you want to just view more video home tours, just go ahead and click on that link right there. We have over 1,000 video home tours. Other than that, peace.